Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel once again. In this video, we will learn the important information about consideration. This is very important term related to contract because it is included in the definition of contract. In my previous videos, I have discussed this term, introduced this term to you, but this is dedicated session on consideration. This is very important to understand ins and outs of consideration. So, what is consideration? Consideration means return something. Consideration may be many types, or it may be past, or present, or future. It is past, it means it had been discussed, or present, it is being performed, or it is being given to the it is being given to the contractor. It may be futuristic. It is futuristic when it is to given, or it will be given to the contractors. So it may be past, present, or future. Characteristics or essentials of valid consideration. Consideration should be passed at request of promisor. When promisor promises, only promisor is that person who is involved in the consideration. So a person who is involved in the consideration requests to get who is involved in contract and wants to get consideration. So he will request at the time of requesting of the promisor, the consideration must be passed. So next, a stranger to a contract cannot sue. A stranger means a person who is not indulged in the indulge in the contract. He is not involved in the contract, so he cannot sue. Here sue means he cannot go to court for getting any type of consideration from the contract. Consideration may be past, present, future, as we have discussed earlier. Consideration must be real. It must be real. Here real means it must be lawful, or it must be in form of something. It may be physical, or in any, or monetary value, or in on the the consideration may be in the form of documents, or in the form of monetary value, etc., etc. Consideration need not to be adequate. Consideration must be legal or unlawful. Unlawful, as we discussed, consideration must be lawful. It cannot be unlawful. If it is unlawful, it means contract is not valid. So consideration may move from one promisee to another person. Consideration may be transferred to one person to another if the promisee requests or gives his assent on the behalf of another person. It may be an act or written promise. So this was all about the essentials of consideration. What are the exceptions to the rule of consideration? Where consideration is formed and where consideration cannot be formed. So exceptions to the consideration are as follows: a promise made on account of natural love and affection. Here consideration is not legal. A promise to compensate for voluntary services. Here voluntary means a person who is doing services in social service for the purpose of making someone happy, or getting nothing from them. So this is a promise to compensate for voluntary services. If any person who is doing helping someone voluntarily, so he cannot, here consideration cannot be formed. Written promise to pay a time word debt, completed gifts, contract of agency. So these are terms, which these are exceptions to the consideration. Position of stranger to a contract, doctrine or privity of contract. It provides that a contract cannot impose obligations arising under it on any person except the parties to it. The promise is that only parties to contract should be able to sue to enforce their right or claim damages. Exception to this rule: who can claim or who can sue against the contract? Exceptions to this rule are beneficiary to a contract, family arrangement and marriage settlement, contract with an agent, official receiver, acknowledgement of a debt. So this was all about consideration. I hope you will learn this, and you should recapitulate it, and you will watch this video about 2 times to recapitulate the information about the consideration. I hope you will get some important information from this video. Thank you for watching.